In this video, I'm going to be checking out the Voyage Aeronautics PA-1008. First off, I must say the packaging looks great. It comes equipped with a 6-axis gyro, altitude hold, it's 2.4 gigahertz, it does the 360 flips, it has training mode and 3 different speeds. So let's open up this box and see what we get inside. It took a little bit of time, but I finally got through all the packaging to get all this stuff out. So let's start with the instruction manual. It is a black and white manual, and it is printed in only English. Then we get this pouch with a full set of spare props. And then we get a second pouch, and in that pouch you'll find a screwdriver, a prop remover tool, a USB charger, and a 3.7 volt 200 milliamp hour single cell LiPo. Here we have the 2.4 gigahertz altitude hold controller, and it does require 2 AAA batteries. Here we have the PA-1008 drone. It's a ducted fan drone that looks amazing in that color chrome canopy. On the underside, when powered on, you can see the red and the blue LEDs. The red indicates the tail and the blue indicates the head. And on the top side, you can see the 4 LEDs that shine through the transparent design on the canopy. Now there's just one thing left to do before I go fly, and that is charge this battery. So it's time to fly the PA-1008. So there is no on and off switch. You just plug it in and that turns it on. So you do up, down, and now we have a bind. If we want to calibrate it, which we do, we're gonna down and to the right. So you saw it flash, now we're calibrated. So this has auto takeoff and auto land, which is this button right here. Here's your trims, if you want to trim it forward or backwards, and then left and right. So I'll show you, there we go. There's auto takeoff, and then there is auto land. And I don't think you can take off, nope, you can't take off with the sticks. So this is altitude hold, and it holds very steady. And this would be the first rate. You have a very slow yaw. So this flashes, when you go up and down, you see the LEDs flash? That indicates you're raising and lowering. So here is the first rate, and here is the speed. So you hear that. Now we're in the second rate, and of course the yaw picks up, and so does the speed, the pitch. Still not the fastest. Let's go 3 beeps. Now we're in the third rate, and okay, now it flies much better. The yaw still isn't all that fast. Look at, that's the fastest the yaw is. That's not fast at all. So this also does, I like how the LED shines through the top there. Looks pretty cool with the blue shining through the canopy there. So let's do some flips, and that's this button right here. All right, that's not a super strong flipper. It raises altitude to do its flip and then comes back down. Let's do a back flip. It does recover nice on the flip though. When it flips, it doesn't like drop like some do. It does like just stay at one spot, which there's a roll to the left. So it is, in a third rate, it is pretty quick. All right, now there's one more thing that I want to go over, and that is training mode. So according to the manual, training mode limits your height, and I think it limits how far away you can fly. So let's see
if that works. You have to hold the speed button in for 2 seconds. Oh, here it's coming down. 2 seconds, and now you're in training mode. Let's see if it's supposed to not let you like go up to the ceiling. So let's see if it, oh yeah, I'm trying to go up and it won't go up. It will go down. Oh wow, that's cool. So it'll let you go down, but then it'll only let you go this high, which is about 4 feet off the ground. Let's see if you can change rates in training mode. Oh, when you change your rate, it takes you out of training mode. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go back. Okay, so there I'm back in training mode. Training mode only lets you in the first rate. Like I said, once you go out or try to go into a higher rate, see, it does not let me go up. It stops there. Let's come down here, let's go up, and boom, it stops. That's pretty amazing actually, that it knows how far off the floor it is. And I really don't think there's like infrared sensors that are sensing the height of the floor. Here, let's check here. Let's put it over this snow salt spreader. And no, it doesn't let me go any higher. So even with it being above that, so that's telling me that there isn't an infrared signal shooting down on the floor. It says in the manual that it does have like a pressure gauge, like a pressure sensor. It senses the pressure. So I don't know how much air pressure can be different from down here up to here. Oh, now I'm out of training mode. It just took me out of training mode. So it is flashing. Now I do have low voltage, and the flight time is not that impressive on this. Let's see if I can go back into training mode. I hold it in, and no. So when you're in low voltage like that, you can't go back into training mode. You also can't do your flips and rolls. Uh-oh, it's coming down, it's coming down. So that was the entire flight time of this Voyage Aeronautics PA-1008, and that was not that impressive. It's a really cool drone as far as the training mode, and with the flips and rolls, first and second rate are not fast at all. The third rate, it does fly at a decent speed. All in all, pretty cool drone. I would definitely recommend more for a beginner, not so much for an advanced flyer, but I will put this in for the March giveaway, and let's talk about that giveaway. So yes, this will be in for the March giveaway, and how the giveaway is gonna work, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. You still have to comment to enter. That's your entry. You also have to be a subscriber from the US, but this is where it's different. So if you wanna enter to win this or any other RC that I feature for the month of March that's titled March Giveaway, then comment on this video or any of the other March giveaway videos. I will be randomly picking comments out of each video for the March giveaway. Put all those names together and we narrow it down to one person. Here's a little secret. I'll be pulling names off of each video for the March giveaway. So the more videos you have a comment on, the better your chance of getting picked out of the comment section. But I'll be doing my live drawing on April 1st, and that's when we find out who the winner is, and the winner gets to pick any RC out of the March giveaway. Just one, but it's winner's choice. So that's how the giveaways are gonna go from this point forward. Like I said, you gotta be a US subscriber and you have to comment in this video or any other video that is titled March giveaway. So thanks for watching this video. Good luck to everybody who enters the March giveaway, and I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.